Right. I am going to another question. These are level 1 related problems. Sine inverse function related problems. Inverse trigonometric functions related problems. Already you know formulas, I think. Now in place of x, what we can take? Tell me. 2x by 1 plus x square. Take that x is equal to tan theta. Then what is derivative of x? Dx is equal to secant square theta d theta. These values substitute in the question. Integration, sine inverse. In place of x, substitute tan theta. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta formula. Sine 2 theta into dx. Dx means secant square theta d theta. Here sine inverse sine cancel, only 2 theta is remaining. 2 take outside, remaining part theta into secant square theta d theta. Now here we can apply that integration by parts. What is first function? What is second function? I let a t. A is algebra, t is trigonometry. Okay. 2 into theta is first function, secant square theta is second function, minus integration. Derivative of theta 1, integration of secant square theta. What is integration of secant square theta formula? That is tan theta. We know the formula. Now 2 into theta, integration of secant square theta tan theta, minus integration tan theta d theta. Now what is theta? Theta is equal to tan inverse x. Tan theta is equal to x. 2 into x. Tan theta means x. Theta means tan inverse x, minus. What is integration tan theta? What is integration tan theta? That is log mod secant theta. Log mod secant theta plus c. Here already we know that secant tan theta value is x. Take right angle triangle. X by 1. This is under root 1 plus x square. Now substitute that 2 in 2x tan inverse x minus 2 logarithm. What is secant theta value? Under root 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus c. Inside the logarithm, root is there. Root means, or these two take that power, root and 2 is going to cancel. We get 2x tan inverse x minus logarithm of 1 plus x square plus c. See the question? Right, this part already we got here. Remaining is f of x. Therefore, f of x is equal to 2x tan inverse x. This is f of x value. Students, tell me which option is correct? First option. See the question number 85. By observing the question, see the denominator part. Sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x That is equal to formula, we know that pi by 2. Then what is cos inverse of x? Cos inverse of x, that is equal to pi by 2 minus sine inverse of x. So these formulas now we want to use. These values substitute in the question. Then what happens? See, numerator will come 2 sine inverse x, 2 sine inverse x minus pi by 2. And denominator part, that value should be pi by 2 dx. Next, pi by 2 send numerator, it is going to 2 by pi. Multiply with both the terms. Here 2 is coming outside. 2 integration sine inverse x dx minus 2 by pi into pi by 2. Both are getting cancelled. We get 1 dx. Now, here big task is integration sine inverse x dx. Integration sine inverse x dx. Use integration by parts. One is the first function. Sine inverse x is the I think a sine inverse x is the first function now. Sine inverse x is the first function, one is the second function. Apply the formula. Sine inverse of x into integration 1 dx minus integration derivative of sine inverse x 1 by under root 1 minus x square integration 1 dx x. Now 4 by pi, here will come integration 1 dx x sine inverse x. Here last term we are forgot, integration 1 dx x plus some constant minus 4 by pi. Here I am written 4. So 4 we can write 2 into 2 because denominator root 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square derivative minus 2x. So here we can get plus dx minus x plus c. Finally see that by observing the option, now we will decide where is minus x. In first option only. This is correct. Yes or no? Right. Now this is 4x by pi sine inverse x, 4x by pi. Or they are taken 4 by pi common. Okay, take outside. No need to write the inside. Now this is x sine inverse x plus integration f dash of x by root f of x. What? 2 root f of x now. 2 root f of x. So here already we are multiplied with 4 by pi. Now take common. You will get under root 1 minus x square only. Or here you can change. This is, you can write 1 by 2. Okay. Now you will understand. Minus x plus c. This is the final answer. First option is correct. How to do this? Now, denominator x is there, numerator ax square minus b. So, do one thing. Numerator take x square common. You will get a minus b by x square. Same like that in denominator also we need x square. Already x is there here. So inside the root, take x square common. Then you will get outside is x. Now here listen carefully. Here x square common means we get c square minus. But here whole square is there. Inside take just x common. That means you will get ax plus b by x whole square. If you are taken inside x common, outside will come x square. Already we are x square common. Overall it's come outside x. Students, are you understood? These two cancel dx. Now by observing this we will get the thought like this: ax plus b by x, that is equal to t. Apply the differentiation: a minus b by x square dx, that is equal to dt. In 2019 these models they are given nearly 5-6 problems. We get dt divided by under root c square minus t square. Now tell me what is the formula here? Integration 1 by under root a square minus x square dx. What is the formula? That is sine inverse of x by a plus c. This is the formula now. Now use it. Sine inverse t by c plus c plus k you can write because already c is there. Now instead of t substitute what? This value ax plus b by x. Take LCM. You will get like this: ax square plus b divided by cx plus c. See the options. Which option is correct? They didn't written like this. They are written another form. Okay, I will write you. Ax plus b by x divided by c plus k. They are written like this. So first option is 2ax minus x square. Convert in the form of like this: a square minus x minus a whole square. Substituted. Integration 1 by under root a square minus x square formula, sine inverse x by a. Here x means x minus a. So here they are given f circle g of x. So I am taken f of x is sine inverse x, g of x is x minus a by a. Now identify that f of g of x, this is. So satisfied or not? So second option is correct. Students completed? Raise your hand.